This Thai chicken is so delicious and so easy. In fact, there's only one hard part about it, and that's making the marinade. So let's start with that. Here are the ingredients. The exact measurements are not that important, but I'll try and give you an idea of what I used here. 2 shallots, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger root. 2 teaspoons of chopped or pureed lemongrass. 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. The juice of 1 whole lime, and 1 can of coconut milk. I'll list these measurements in the description below, as well as a link to how to make the pureed lemongrass. Now let's put everything together and make our marinade. Finely dice your shallots, add them to a bowl, crush your garlic, peel and grate your ginger root. Then add your lemongrass. Next, grind up your coriander seeds with a mortar and pestle, or just use pre-ground coriander. Then add your turmeric. Add your brown sugar. Pour in your fish sauce. Squeeze your lime juice. And then pour in your coconut milk. And if you're feeling adventurous, go ahead and add the zest from your lime as well. Now grab yourself some boneless chicken thighs and season them with sea salt and black pepper on both sides. Then place them into a large Ziploc bag and pour in your marinade. Now ideally you want this to marinate for 12 to 24 hours. But if you're unable to do that, even 2 to 3 hours can get you some really good flavor. Once it's finished marinating and you're ready to grill, empty the bag into a bowl and then take the chicken out, place it on a platter, making sure to save all that marinade because we're going to use that. Now get those chicken thighs onto a preheated grill and start those cooking. While the chicken is cooking, come back inside, grab a cutting board, and then slice up some carrots and some green bell pepper. Place those into a bowl. And then in a separate bowl, slice up some zucchini and set that aside. Back at your grill, make sure to flip your chicken once you've got a nice sear on the bottom. Now, get a pan on the stove, add some cooking oil, I'm using coconut oil, and add your carrots and bell pepper, and give it a bit of a toss. Season your vegetables with some sea salt, black pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder, and then let those cook down for about 3 to 4 minutes. Back at your grill, give your chicken its final flip. Then back inside, add your zucchini to your pan, and give that just a bit of a toss. And then you're going to pour in the rest of your marinade. By now, our Thai chicken should be looking and smelling amazing, so pull that off of the grill and get that inside. Then slice it up and get it ready for plating. Now let your vegetables simmer in that marinade for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until they're just turning soft, and then pull them off. All right, we're ready to assemble. Get a bowl with some rice in it, get a nice portion of that grilled Thai chicken, place that in there, and then add a nice hefty scoop of those vegetables. Now garnish with some fresh basil leaves. And there you've got it, grilled Thai chicken and vegetables in all its glory. Let's give this a taste here. Those Thai flavors are amazing. You gotta try this recipe. If you're a fan of Thai food, leave a like below and make sure you stick around for some more recipes. I'm gonna eat this whole bowl.